Vans A Jammin's been officially outfitted with the big rig beef. We get the big beef coming in for Vans A Jammin. Yeah, I got this big rig beef as a prize last winter. Finally getting a chance to put them in the van. Yeah, I got the Hevy's pick for the Gingerbox. Thanks for the prize, guys. Look, they fit nice.
Every year we do a Hevy's pick, and Hevy's pick, easy choice, at least for me. It goes to a van that was not made out of gingerbread. Gingerbox by Tommy Stacks.
Okay, it's a little overdue, but do a little unboxing of some Hevy Hauling mid-Dodge floor mats. Big rig beef coming in hot. Just attention to detail on the packaging. All right, we get the big rig beef. This is what we got in the package. Got the official beef sticker right here. Nicely saran wrap packed. Let's see what they look like inside Vans A Jammin. Let's unravel this. These babies are thick. This is our passenger side mat. Now let's do a fit check. Big rig fit check. I recommend you maybe let these babies sit in the sun before you go putting them in. Maybe let them cook in the sun because these babies are rolled up tight. Driver side fit check. It's even got the hole for the high beam. Right on. Let's check it out. You can get the hole here. Gas pedal. Vans A Jammin's got the beef, but I do need to let it cook in the sun a little bit so it sits flat. But you get the point.
Gingerbox by Tommy Stacks. So cool. It does say in our rules that we recommend building out of gingerbread, but it's not absolutely required. And I think Tommy really ran with a concept to have some fun this holiday season. He built a body for his Lunchbox RC van. Technically not gingerbread, it was built out of cardboard, but it was decorated just like a gingerbread van. He had gumdrops on there and icing and all that, and you know, sent us a video of him driving the thing around. So cool. So Tommy, you are Hevy's choice, and you got prizes coming your way too. We're gonna give you your choice of big rig beef, crazy thick, super heavy duty custom fitted floor mats for one of your vans. I know you got a few of them, you know, or we'll get you some mud flaps or a slab, whatever you're feeling. Tommy, so freaking stoked on the Gingerbox. You killed it.
Wait, what else is in the pack here? Little stickers, little stickers, little stickers. Doing it in a van. Oh, it's a windy one today. Got a koozie too. Trucks and vans, heavy hauling.